Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Let's move on. In this video, I am going to show you how a legendary Alexander bows his head in front of a courageous Indian king Porus and also to the knowledge of an Indian sage. Before the invasion of Alexander, India was divided into several kingdoms. The strongest kingdoms were the Pauravas and the Magadhas under the Nandas. Alexander defeated the Paurava king Porus in the Battle of Jhelum River, commonly known as Hydaspes River. Macedonian invasion resulted in unification of the Indian kingdoms under the rule of Chandragupta Mauryas, who took the throne of Magadha after Nanda king Dhanananda. Alexander went back as his army refused to move on. They were tired of doing war. Porus showed them fear of death. Also, they feared that how maybe Magadha's army may be big by seeing their vast empire. Although Porus faced Alexander with his huge elephants and defended his territory, but Alexander defeated Porus with his determination and huge army, and also within the support of Takshashila. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please support this channel, comment on this video and also give me suggestion about the next video. Please share, like and subscribe.